Shake on.
One, two, three, four, five, six, 1, 2, 1, 2, So guys, that's just for this trending. What a hinge, what a book currently trending. Yeah, it's trending on TikTok, trending on whatever you want to see it. Everywhere you want to see it. In case you are new to this channel, kindly subscribe down below, like this video, share to your friends, guys. Now, let's see what do we have here. Now, the first step in this tutorial is, okay, well, Nyash now, check out, boom, boom. You count to leg forward, so it's 1, 2, and you go down, you shake your hips, guys, side, 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 side. While your leg is moving forward, backward, side, side. So it's, we got one side now. Bing, bing, shake out. Bing, bing. We got one side now. Bing, bing, shake out. And one time. So shake out for 4 times. So it's 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see, guys. Let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. The hips, guys. Just the movement of the hips. Just shake the hips, guys. Just 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Then you do 1, 2, 3, 4. You do 1, 2, 3, 4. Are you seeing, guys? So let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Get on top of that. Check out. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Once you do that one, guys, next step you go is to go like this. 1, 2. And do 1, 2. Go 1, 2. You shake. Let's go on the start, guys. When you start 5, 6, 7, 8. Get out of that now. Check out. Boom. Boom, you got the tires. Boom, check out. 2, 3, 4. You got the tires. Check out. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. There you go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what your girl says, Abby? Don't mind you guys. This there's a young man over here that's distracting me. It's a distraction, guys. So the next thing we do is just go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 times. Yeah, just 6 times. Then you jump. 6 times. You go to the side. You do 1, 2. You go to the side. You do 1, 2. 6 times, guys. Just 6 times. So just 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Once you down, you do to the side, 1, 2. Go to the side, 1, 2. Something like that, guys. So let's go from start one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what time now? Check out. 2, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 1, 2. Shake. So similar stuff like that, guys. Similar stuff. So after that one, next you do so you move 1, 2, 3, 4. But it's basically 6 times. Once you complete the 6 times, just do so. Go to the side, 1, 2. You go to the side, 1, 2. Shake it twice. Shake it twice, guys. Shake it twice. Twice. Let's go one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. We got out our time now. Shake on. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide to the back, slide to the back. slide again, back, 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 slide again, back, 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 you do jump, slide, take, put it back, 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 back. So guys, that is dance tutorial, that's dance tutorial. Let's do one more time guys. One more time in slow mo. So if you're on my live stream, thank you for joining this live stream. I know you guys are getting tired already, but let's just go guys, let's go. 1 hour guys, let's go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what now? Check out. Boom, boom. What check out. Boom, boom. What 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Forward. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Slide. 1, back, 2, back, 1, back, 2, back. Then you jump, back. So guys, that is the dance tutorial for what a inch. A bomb. Get what the bomb now, chicken. Bomb. Let's do it one more time. One time, guys. 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, what Nyash now? Chicken. Boom. What Nyash? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. Then you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you go side 1, 2, side 1, 2. Then you side faster 1, 2, side 1, 2. Then you jump, go, turn, open 2, 3, 4, 5. So guys, that's the for this sound trending now on our earnings. On TikTok, YouTube, and Instagram. Keep the channel, can you subscribe down below? Like this video, share with your friends and family. Make sure to watch the videos over here. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.